way frozen here, and yeah, I'm getting ready to put the car away. But thought I'd film this video of 1 year of ownership. It's gonna be basically 1 year, so we'll go over 1 year. So basically, so far with the car, newest mods, you know, we put the Carbon-X magnetic plate mounts. We also did do the OEM fire extinguisher, another new mod as well. We have the Carbon M Performance caps, you know, the custom headlights, the carbon fangs here, the IND paint matched grills, and then pretty much everything else fully PPF, front lip, and the whole car. Whole car is done. In the interior, we got the seat badges, you know, the new LCI seat badges. There's the cool OEM fire extinguisher. Got the IND paint match with the Alcantara center console trim with the M Performance OEM shift knob. We have the IND paint matched steering with the JQ magnetic paddles. We got Apple CarPlay installed. We got the carbon trim for the AC control. You know, we got the kits floor mats, the paddle Haas pedals. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Inside the engine, pretty much we just got the arm silicone charge pipes and even cherry drop-in filters. But that's pretty much it. I think for next year, we're definitely going to get a skid plate for underneath and some side skirts. I think is a must for this car. And also, we'll try and get some bits for the diffuser here in the back. But yeah, pretty much that is it with the car, like new mods and future plans for it. Basically, we'll go over the problem. So the first problem we had was at the start of the year, we had a Valvetronic motor failure. So that was a pretty expensive fix. That was due to the tune that was on the car prior. You probably would have seen that in my tuning my BMW and something went wrong video. So that caused that issue. And the tune also caused another big issue in the car, which was the water injection system, where it actually burst. And so it was the updated one, but basically how I was figuring out was that the car was dripping water every time it was on a slant, or just every time it shut off and it was pumping. So eventually I went to go check and I just saw water was just spewing out. So I have a video coming up about how to make your water injection bulletproof, because I did replace mine and then bulletproof it on top of that. So that did put a little dent, so that's why, you know, we didn't do too much. But yeah, we did do that. Another mod, shoot, I almost forgot, was our dash cam right here. That is the FitCam X, best dash cam in the world. It's like OEM, you could barely notice it. Basically really good, especially when you go to the dealerships and all that. Really good to have, and just for driving purposes as well. Yeah, another big problem, we had some rusted bolts here because the previous owner swapped them out for the extended end plates and then put the steel, and they were rusted, so we got back OEM screws. They're no longer silver, they are black now. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We rectified all those issues, and basically that's pretty much it. So for the 1 year, car is doing great. It's running well now because we did change the tunes over to Kerry Jordan. So the car runs beautiful, makes about 500 to 520 wheel horsepower. 500 is like, it can swap between 91 and 94 or 93. So that's another cool feature with the car. But yeah, everything else, car runs great. Car is beautiful. Definitely want to change out the custom headlights for some icons and do them the exact same way, so we can have some custom icon headlights and maybe some carbon fiber bits at the bottom there as well to just level it out a bit more. I am thinking about carbon fiber fenders for this car, make it 100% unique. Only GTS with carbon fiber fenders. But yeah, that's pretty much it with the car. Everything else, it's been great. Car has been beautiful. You can tell I've been driving the car pretty hard occasionally, as you can see those exhaust pipes are turning color. They are yellow, purple, blue, switching titanium color. But I did plan to change out the exhaust system as well, just to make this car like 100% unique, 100% different. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Honestly, I'm in love with this car. You know what I'm saying? Definitely still miss my black one. If you guys know me, I did have a frozen black M4. I do miss that on occasion, but this is just in its own other league. Um, but yeah, for 1 year of just ownership and everything, nothing too much. A little costly for the first year, but everything else after you fix everything, everything runs great. But yeah, another mod that I forgot to mention, as you guys can see, that beautiful fitment. So the car is on 12 mil spacers all around. So that's how I have a nice flush fitment. The car is honestly running beautiful, just like I said. Like the car, I couldn't ask for a better tuner or even the amount of power or anything. Like, I'm just totally amazed of this car. So now, future plans for this car really is like just to make it, truly one of one. Like right now, it's already one of one. The car is like it's already special in its own way. As you know, it's 1 out of 700 and only 50, well, 1 out of 50 in Canada. So that's just how rare this car really is. Like, just look how stunning this car is. It's honestly beautiful. Like, it's beautiful, man. I don't even know what else to say. It's stunning. And like comparing it to my previous frozen black M4, this car, it's night and day. It's completely different. They're not the same. The cars are like two different beasts. Just this one's on a whole different level. To the driving experience, the attention, everything in between. It's just a special car. That's all I can really say. For the channel, I want to do more vlogs, more POV drivings, more of everything, just to bring this channel up and to the next level. And I really appreciate all of you guys for subscribing, liking the post, even just viewing it. I really appreciate it. So next year, when this car comes back, I hope you guys are with me on that journey. I hope you guys have a good rest of your year. This is Frozen. Take it easy. Peace.